In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Meta AI here on Instagram. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment. But first things first, if you do want Meta AI here on Instagram, you are going to need to make sure that your Instagram is up to date with the latest update. To do this, just close out of the Instagram app and open up the App Store if you're on an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android and just search up Instagram. Click on the Instagram page itself, and if there is an update, go ahead and update. If it just says open, you already have the latest version. Then go ahead and open up Instagram again. For some people, just updating the app is going to make Meta AI appear automatically. So if that does that for you, you'll be good to go. But if Meta AI is still missing, you're going to want to click on your profile and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner and scroll down until you see the option specifically for help right here. This is going to be in more info and support. Go ahead and select that. And what you're going to want to do is tap report problem. Sometimes you can also just shake your phone and it'll go ahead and appear. On this section, you're going to want to go ahead and include and continue and just type in, I'm missing Meta AI on my account. Please fix. And then after that, tap send. And Instagram's going to usually review your report within 1 to 2 business days. Now, on top of that, though, I also recommend going back to the home screen, clicking on the messages. And within here, there is a Meta AI assistant that you can go ahead and immediately click on to go ahead and access Meta AI if that's what you're looking for. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.